Hello everyone and welcome back to the Sport Horizon YouTube channel. I'm Jay, one of the data tutors, and in today's Tableau for Sport tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use the replace function in Tableau. The replace function is a really unique feature within Tableau. It essentially allows you to manipulate and change string data. It's very similar to the find and replace function in Excel, and what also makes this unique is that it essentially adds an extra step on top of your already present data. So it doesn't change your data itself, it just adds on an extra step. So within this tutorial, I'm going to talk through some examples. So hopefully you'll be able to gain a good understanding of how to use this feature. So I'm going to jump straight into the tutorial now. The very first thing you want to do is you want to have Tableau set up and you want to have your data already loaded in. And within this example, I'm just going to build a very simple table. So I'm just going to drag player name to rows, I'm going to drag position to rows 2, and then finally max speed to rows as well. So I'm going to paint the picture here. Within the position column, I have midfield, but I want to be in a position whereby I want the abbreviation for the position. So I want MFs specifically. So I want to change midfield to MF. After that, within the max speed column, I want to change KM/H to be KMPH instead. So I'm going to jump straight into doing that now. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to hover over to the left hand side of the screen here and click on this small drop down arrow. You then want to select create calculated field. The very first thing you want to do is you want to rename your calculation. It's always best practice to do this. So in this instance, we're just going to call it position abbreviation. So the very first thing we want to do after we've done that is just type in replace in all caps. So replace, and as you can see, the function then appears. So you just want to select that, and you're presented with a set of brackets. And here you're actually presented as well with it's like a bit of a guide, so it tells you what should this function contain. So the very first thing it says is string, and this is essentially the column that the data is located within. So in this instance, it would be position. You just type in position, that should come up. After that, you want to then put a comma and add a space, and substring is essentially what is it currently written as within the data itself. So here it's written as midfield. After that, what do we want to tell Tableau to change it to? So we want the abbreviation, so that's MF. So yet again, we're going to open some quotation marks and put in MF. I should have mentioned this earlier, but quotation marks are very important to include as you are handling string values, and it's vitally important that these are within a quotation mark for Tableau to correctly recognize them. After you've done that, you want to click apply and you want to click OK. We can now drag position abbreviation just between player name and position, and as you can see, the abbreviation now appears itself. So I can now take out position. And after that, we're going to move on to the second thing, which is replacing KM/H with KMPH. So just like before, go over to the left hand side of the screen, click on the arrow, click on create calculated field, rename the calculated field so we can put max speed KMPH in brackets. We're going to start off by typing in replace in all caps. This then appears, we're going to select it. So in terms of string, what column is it? So it's max speed, type in max speed, put in a comma, click another, put another space, open up some quotation marks. What is it currently within the data? It's KM/H. What do I want to replace this with? We want to put KMPH, so that's in quotation marks as well. After that's been done, we're going to click apply and OK. I'm now going to put this just on the end here, and as you can see, it has now been changed. So we can now take out max speed. We can even take this one step further and use it to also remove values as well. So in order to do this, and let's say we only want the number, so we don't want KMPH, we just want the number of their max speed. So we can actually just duplicate our previous calculation, just by right clicking it and select duplicate. You then want to right click on it again and select edit. Of course, rename this, so we're going to put max speed value. And then as well, we can also put this into a float. So we just type in float before replace and put these into brackets as well. So one at the start and one at the end. And we don't want to replace it with any values. We essentially want to remove any values after the numbers. So we can just highlight KMPH and just remove this. So it's just a set of quotation marks. And it's also important as well to add in a space before KM/H, as spaces are technically recognized as string values. So once that's been done, we're going to click apply and OK. We can drag max speed over to the end here, and as you can see, only the numbers have been extracted. I really hope you found today's tutorial useful. If you have, please click the like button and click subscribe too. Definitely check out our website as well. Link to that would be in the description down below. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye bye.